Lydonia Technologies. Let me show you around. So this is our open space here, kind of an open flow feel to it. We have our executive team sitting over here on this side, and then we have scrum rooms for our sales and pre-sales folks. And we have a conference room down the end of the hall here. We have internal meetings oftentimes, and that's my messy office right there. See everybody's hard at work talking to customers. And the most fun thing we have, that we have some fun with when we close a deal, we get up on the reel and crank it, and everybody typically comes out of their office to find out what deal closed. We have a lot of fun with that. Over here we have our lunch area where we have people congregating sometimes for breakfast, lunch. We have booths. It's almost like a pub feel over there. And then we have our breakfast bar, we call it. And here's our wall of fame where we have awards from Best Places to Work Inc. magazine, as well as the UiPath Impact Partner of the Year, 2 different years. We're proud of that. And welcome to the one and only Automation Briefing Center. It's the only one that exists in the world. We've yet to find another one. So this is where we host our customers to have conversations about their automation strategies. And this is our Automation Briefing Center conference room. It's all state of the art. We just put a lot of money into this facility so that we can have an effective meeting, dial people in remote, as well as host up to 18 people here in this room. We're very proud of this room, and that's Rosie, our striped marlin. It's a team mascot. And here's our feather ribbon chart with Lydonia Canyon, which we named the company after, the deepest and widest canyon in the Northeast. And if you see, there's more of a nautical theme here based on not only the Lydonia, but also offshore fishing, which is our passion around here. So we have a lot of fun with customers in this briefing center and have very, very healthy dialogue with them all the time. So we'd love to welcome you up here.